Let's add counterblock to the Gutenberg Editor. Open the page and select where you want to add the counter. Click on the plus icon, search counter on the search bar. To set the width of the counter, click on the spotlight icon. Click on the plus icon of the counter block to add counter data. Edit the title to your liking. Click the setting icon and then click on the spotlight icon to customize. From the Columns dropdown, customize columns properties. Set the background as plain or gradient color as you want. Show or hide icon/image, title, and description from Content dropdown. Customize position and text properties from Numbers dropdown. Customize the title and description text properties as needed. Click on the Advanced dropdown to add block name and additional CSS classes. Select the counter element to customize a single counter element. Customize the counter element background color independently. Choose the source type, border color, and icon background color to your preference. You can customize the rest counter element to your liking. Customize starting and ending numbers, number prefix and suffix, thousand separator decimal, and animation duration. Customize the rest counter element as you need. Add a description for each counter element to suit your need. For responsive customization, click on the spotlight icon and then select Device. Scroll to Counter and select the block. Click on the device icon to customize counter properties. Customize columns per row, column row gap, padding and margin, content align, icon/image properties. Customize number, title and description text size and letter spacing. And we are done.